The Filipino antonyms buhay and patay. When we say buhay, that means alive in English, and patay is dead. Buhay, patay. Buhay, patay. Ang mga halaman sa hardin ay buhay na ulit. That means the plants in the garden are flourishing again. Halaman is a plant, mga halaman plants, mga is plural marker, and then hardin is garden, buhay means alive, and then na already, and then ulit again. So, ang mga halaman sa hardin ay buhay na ulit. Ang apoy ay patay na matapos ang pag-ulan. The fire was out after the rain. Apoy is fire, patay is like dead or out. Matapos is after, and then ulan is rain. So after the rain. Ang apoy ay patay na matapos ang pag-ulan. Ang mga isda sa dagat ay buhay na buhay. The fish in the sea are very alive. Isda is fish, mga isda, plural marker, mga dagat is the sea, and then buhay is alive. Buhay na buhay is very alive. Ang mga isda sa dagat ay buhay na buhay. Ang computer ay patay kaya hindi ko magamit. The computer is unresponsive or dead or not turned on, so I couldn't use it. Computer is the same computer, patay, it's off or not working, not responsive, kaya so hindi means not, magamit, gamit is use. Ang computer ay patay kaya hindi ko magamit. Once again, when we say buhay, it means alive, and patay is dead. Buhay, patay. Buhay, patay.